Ambulance, 75-year-old male, back pain. It's 211 Silver Hollow Road.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and an unboxing of Mobius Models F-100 service bed truck. I thought I did an unboxing of this a long time ago, but it was the other one. I just finished up my GTO and I wanted to make a fire truck for the Hobby Town, well, a rescue truck. And I pulled this out and I started looking at it and realized I didn't do an unboxing yet. So let's see what's in the box. I cut all the bags open just now. I haven't even looked at these parts yet. So we're going to all see these together. Let me grab a box to put the stuff in. And I'm going to pull you down here so we can see a little bit here. We got the bed, the back. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that is. It's a divider of some sort. We got our tailgate and our back bumper. Now what I plan on doing is I plan on lighting the headlights, and I plan on putting a bubble light on the top of this like I did the police car, except for a little bit better software than I had for that. So that's why I want to go with this. Plus I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So I pulled this out and wow, look at this. And I'm really happy with it. Look at the sides. Now these are all closed, and I am probably going to leave them closed, kind of. So we'll talk about that as I build. But I think I might leave the back of one of these open so that I can tuck a battery pack in here and hide a little computer program. How about if I show you? An Arduino Nano. This is what I use for my lighting when I do like the dome lights and my Millennium Falcon and things like that. Is one of these. They're pretty powerful little chip. It's a linear software though, so it's got to go step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So as you design your software, you just have to think about how to get around that. And it's not hard to do. You can tuck things in real easy. But that's what I'm going to use. And I need to be able to tuck the battery back into here somewhere. So I don't think we should have too much of a problem with that the way this is looking. But the mold, look at how nice that is. That's going to be real nice. Now, you know, obviously I'm going to be painting this red. So, so we know where we're going there. We have our drive shaft and our frame. Frame looks really good. The drive shaft has a little bit of a mismold on it. We'll have to work that out, but that's no big deal. We can do that quick, fast, and in a hurry. At least the frame seems like it's square. So I'll take that and over sanding off a little bit of mold line any day of the week. We have what looks like the interior to the boxes. We'll just have to think about what's going in and what's not going in so we can fit all our electronics and stuff in there. Perfect way to hide them though. Here's a new bag. The detail in this so far is really sharp. We have our heads. They look good. They even got little holes for the pistons in there. Like if you wanted to sand these off, you could drill these out and make it look like an open block. Our tailgate looks good. It's got the Ford on there. Probably won't highlight the Ford because it's going to be a volunteer fire truck, but it'll still get red. And we are going to use the any of the chrome that's on there on the truck will be on the truck. This must be our engine bag, because our exhaust manifolds, hoses, nice carburetor, looks like a water pump, alternator, distributor, oil pan. Not too bad. Like I said, I feel a very good mold line on this, though, where it's squeezed out a little bit. It doesn't, I don't think it's mismolded. I think it's just a large mold line. So we're going to have to deal with that on everything around. But the detail on it is very good. We'll have fun with this. Our heads, our front engine front, looks like a starter, I think, or a coil. Nah, it's too big for a coil. Our oil filter, there's our coil. Nice steering wheel. Air cover, our steelies, looks good. And as soon as I'm done with this video, as it's uploading, I'm going to start building this. We got 2 transmissions. Oh, that's cool. Always use one of those in the shop. Belt, nice looking fan, or nice looking intake. I'm happy with this so far. And like I said, there's a lot going on here. I missed the bag a little bit. Whoops. We have another set of steels. We have our suspension, a whole nother tailgate. This is a large tailgate. I doubt we'll be using this. Another drive shaft. You know what? I saw these in the directions, and what they are is where you put your pedals so that they're spaced right. So that's pretty neat. And then that goes up underneath the dash. Rear bumper. Our isn't it fun when your brain just turns off? Our tie rod. Radiator looks good. Another steering wheel. A little flash on that, but not much. Another drive shaft. Looks good. This one looks a lot crisper than the last one. Drive shaft still has a mega mold line on it, so we're going to have to clean everything, every single part before we paint it. But it is what it is. Nice looking door panels. Nice looking seats. They're going to be just plain Jane. I'll do the black, but I'll do black leather like I did on the GTO. Door panels, look at the detail on that. Very crisp. I like that. Our floor looks good. Carpets in there. Nice detail on that. Very nice. And the inside of our hood do have 4 pin marks. 6 of them, as a matter of fact, that we're going to have to deal with. On the other side, looks very good. Ford logo stands out really nice. The Ford letters. Underside of the floor pan looks good. And that looks like a seat back. Like what goes in the back of the cab. But I'm not sure. That could be a gas tank. It's been a long day. Off the side here, I got another full bag of fun stuff here. See that? Not a part, but you always check your bag. More front suspension. Our rear end looks better than mine for sure. Our pedals, our master cylinder and booster. Probably our spare tire. Another Steely. And probably our steering box. Sharp. Like I said, the detail's crisp. It just has a little bit of mold line to it. Stuck together a little bit. Another tailgate. Our firewall. Our front, look at that's nice. That's pretty sharp. We could drill that out and make it look good. Maybe even fake up a little spring there too. We'll have to see. Not sure if it even had one. Nice. This is a parts heavy kit for sure. We have our sway bar, cross member. Steering column looks good, nice and clean. No big moose on it. Our inside our tailgate. Look, it has the Mobius. I don't know if you can see that in there. The logo put right on that, which I'd much rather have it there than somewhere where you're going to be able to see it. And then here's our dashboard. I'll bring that up nice and close and wiggle it a little so the light shines. But it looks good. Good detail. Nice, prominent, easy to paint. I know there's a decal for the gauge cluster in there that we will use. But everything else will get hand painted, and I think it'll look great. So I'm very happy there. And then the last big sprue, we got our battery, no name battery, our visor, leaf springs. I think these are for the sway bar. Looks like a jack, water bottle, horns, shocks, brake backs. Nice detail, very nice detail, all around. Let me know if this black is helping out to where you can see these better too, in the comments if you would. If not, we can go a different route there, but I thought that'd help show the detail off a little bit more. And then last but not least, well, not last but not least, we got 4 nice looking tires that I'm going to leave in the bag for right now. But they do look good. They're no-name tires, so there's no sense in ripping them out to see who makes them or anything. We'll dirty them up a little bit, but just on the tread because it's a fire truck and they're going to keep it clean. In the box, I got my glass. We have taillights. Looks like turn signals. Front glass, back glass, vent windows, headlights, turn signals for the front. Wonder how much we'll be able to try to get away with lighting up on this thing. We have decals. There's our gauge cluster. How about if I do this? Our gauge cluster, a couple of engine highlights, call outs, and then Mercury Electric. We won't be using those, obviously. We'll have to make our own. And I told everybody that when I do make my decals, I will do a video so everybody can see how I do it. I've done them a couple of times now, and I'm really happy with the way everything's working out. So I will definitely do them. I didn't open this, but you know what? I'm going to just because I want to see it. And then I'm going to put it right back in. I like how they did this. Goodness. I like how they did this with the tissue paper in here to keep things from getting banged around. And then they throw that on top. Throw that on top. Nice open grill. Look at that. We'll be able to drill holes in here. No problem. It does have locators. We'll figure that out to where we can get our headlights in there. We'll see about doing turn signals because it would be neat to have the turn signals do like a wig-wag, flash, 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 back and forth. We'll come up with something. Our dog dishes, chrome valve covers. We'll see if there's not. I don't remember seeing valve covers in the sprues, but if there's not, we might throw those in LA Awesome and strip them. I don't have a clue. That looks like a vent, maybe. our mirror, door handles, dog dishes. 2 of them are open and 4 are closed. Have to check all that out. Our other side, we have back bumper, front bumper, a couple of different mirrors that look really nice. There's 1, 2, 3 sets of mirrors. There's, I'm not even sure what I'm looking at here, but I'll bring it up so you can all see it. Maybe you can guess too. I wonder if those are for where the scripts go in on the sides. A little bit of detail here, and our windshield wipers. So there's all the chrome. I'm just going to set that out there until we're done, and then I'll put that back in the bag the way it came. And then last but not least, the body. And it looks great. A recessed line here. I'm not sure what that's all about. I'll have to look online. I'm not real up on top of what these should look like, but it looks really good. Marks for the door handle. I like that. For the mirror, look inside. Is there any? There's like little pre-marks here for if we were going to put driving lights on the top, and then a little pre-drill here, probably for an antenna. We'll probably do at least 1 drill in the center to run our bubble light, and I'm going to do a 4 LED bubble light on this one instead of 3 like I did on the police car. 0 detail on the fender well. Looks good here. We do have those 2 holes. What I might have to do is drill 2 small ones underneath to get the headlights in there, and then 2 smaller ones under that to get the turn signals, if we do turn signals. Don't hold me to it, because it might just be where I'm like, you know what, we're going to make the wigwag go and that's it. But we'll see. I mean, I got enough room there to get a battery in. I might as well try to at least get the headlights and taillights lit. But looks good. Looks very good. We'll paint that black and hide everything in there, and we'll go from there. I'm looking forward to digging into this. I really am. Which will be about 2 seconds after I hit stop on the video. But not bad. We'll give it a good sanding, a good washing, and we're going to start on it. Obviously, it's going to be red. So red with a black interior. A little bit of chrome silver for the diamond plate, because I don't want it to be chrome, but I don't want it to be flat aluminum either. I want to have a little bit of shine to it. But with that, I will let you go. Y'all have a great day and a better tomorrow. Thank you again for watching.